My name is Partha Sarathy Das. I am coming from West Bengal. It is too short time to discuss with the past syllabus, but I have to share some experience, my experience with you. Now I am coming to the point now. The first point is undergrad prisoner. What I have faced in West Bengal that being a legal panel advocate, I used to go visit the correctional home, and when I interacted with the prisoners, they told me that each and every day, each and every fixed day, they are not produced to the court because of the insufficiency of police personnel. So, maximum accused go to the court when their trial will be fixed. So, it is, I think it is a very bad practice, and my suggestion is that if you kindly change it by PIA, that each and every day the accused should be produced to the court, not only court lockup but before the court rooms also. That is the main point. And the next thing is bail. What I face in the court there, when I go to the court to move for a bail petition, the court, there is a tradition there, the tendency is there, that nowadays the court does not see the CD, does not produce the records, only just see the section, and if the section is not available, then the bail is rejected. That is not the way to see though the discretionary power of the court to grant a bail. But the thing is, peruse the CD, to peruse the record first. But the court does not do that, and just only see the section. If see that section is available, then you will get the bail, and if the section is not available, then the bail petition will be rejected. They does not apply the judicial mind, but Supreme Court also told that judicial mind shall be applied. So my suggestion is that if we can go with a petition by PIA, that directing the all courts or lower court or magistrate to see the first gravity of the offence, not see the sections. Just see the gravity of the offence and then decide whether you will alert with the bail or not. The third thing is, I am going to the personal one, which I saw that when I go to the court through legal aid for a court accused person for bail and pray for bail, the magistrate when grant the bail with a 1 surety or 2 surety in an amount of bond, then when I pray for the court for review for releasing a personal bond, the magistrate just told me that it is I do not do this thing there because the criminal is hardcore criminal, and I just as a magistrate I just pass the order for bail, but if he furnishes the bail bond, then he will release from the jail custody. So this type of practice is very much unfair. I think my suggestion is that kindly we can file a PIL that to ensure that if any person go to the court for bail through the legal lawyers, the magistrate shall if magistrate enlarge him in bail, then magistrate shall bound to release him in personal bond, or if there is any bond amount, the bond amount will be paid by the legal committee or by the PLSA if it will be possible. So and the last thing is surety. For in practicing on my West Bengal is that there is a rule in High Court that that the CJM or SCJM will create a panel of surety person on the basis of the prayer of the intending person by depositing a lump sum amount in the court, and after that whoever will come before the magistrate with a prayer for bail, and if magistrate grant him bail with one or two surety, then the bond shall be furnished by one of the panel surety, and that surety then asked to pay the accused person to give 20% or 30% amount of the bail bond. So it is like business. My suggestion is it should be stopped, and though we are all know that the surety is just a condition that if accused person will not come at the next day or any will not comply any condition, then the furnishing bail amount will be forfeited. But unfortunately, it is happening due to that panel of surety. So my suggestion is that if we make a PIL in the High Court or Supreme Court for abolishing this system and make a rule that whoever wanted to be a surety and has ability can make the surety. So thank you for that.